Don't touch your hair.
There you go.
Sorry, Mommy.
Sorry.
A little too late for
It's
that.
not okay. We're gonna have to shave
Seriously?
your head.
Rachel,
What?
Rachel,
I
come here.
don't want a bald baby sister. My crush.
Your colors, honey. You need more color. You need some. You need some.
Oh my God.
She gotta hold him some scissors and she cut her hair out.
What?
Yeah, she cut all her hair. I gotta take a picture of this.
I don't want a bald baby sister.
Too late.
You're not shaving her head, are you?
We can't leave it like that.
Yeah, she might shave her head.
Or Rachel could just do it herself.
Well, she's gonna have bangs, that's for sure.
You shedding everywhere, man. Well, I'm glad you came downstairs if you did. 'Cause, I mean, it might have been a little worse.
Yeah.
Mangy looking kid. Well, she does have a strong right hook.
I'm gonna take a picture of this.
I'm videotaping everything. What do you think, Audrey, about your sister's new haircut? Any words over there, Steve? They're like maybe an inch. Oh, it's like, it's right here, there's nothing. There's nothing here.
There's some more.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
That's just
I
what I
had a
thought.
feeling she was gonna do this one day. I just knew it. I just knew it.
Rachel.
I just knew that this wasn't it. I just knew it.
I was 5 years old when I cut a bunch of posts out of the chair.
She had to climb on that sewing machine table.
Oh, there's Dalton.
On that
Dalton.
Yeah.
Alright.
Audrey
Bye-bye.
cut Dalton's hair one
Say
time.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You mangy looking kid.